India's aviation market is entering a new phase as three new airlines move closer to taking flight. This follows the December 2025 operational disruptions at Indigo, which highlighted how dependent the market has become on a small number of large carriers. In response, the Ministry of Civil Aviation has granted no objection certificates to Shankh Air, Al Hind Air, and Fly Express, allowing them to move forward in the regulatory process toward commercial operations. Among them, Shankh Air was the first to receive an NOC, with approval coming before December 2025. The airline is founded and chaired by Shravan Kumar Vishwakarma and is preparing to begin commercial operations in 2026, subject to final regulatory approvals. Shankh Air plans to focus on regional and domestic connectivity, particularly linking cities in Uttar Pradesh with major metros such as Delhi and Mumbai, and is expected to operate around Noida International Airport. Following this, Al Hind Air received its NOC in December 2025. The airline is backed by the Kerala-based Al Hind Group and is planning to operate ATR turboprop aircraft targeting short-haul regional routes. Its initial focus is expected to be on southern India, connecting smaller cities to hubs like Kochi, with commercial operations also planned for 2026. Around the same time, Fly Express also secured its NOC in December 2025. Based in Telangana and led by Konkati Suresh, Fly Express is expected to begin services later in 2026. The airline aims to operate as a low-cost regional carrier, focusing on underserved domestic routes and potentially combining passenger and cargo operations. It's important to understand that an NOC is only the first step. All three airlines must still obtain an air operator certificate from the DGCA, finalize aircraft and crew, complete safety audits, and secure airport slots before carrying passengers. Not every airline that receives an NOC ultimately launches operations. Even so, these approvals signal a clear policy direction. India's aviation authorities believe the market is large enough to support more players, improve regional connectivity, and build greater resilience into the system. Whether these new airlines succeed will depend on execution, cost discipline, and operational reliability in one of the most challenging aviation markets.